Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Chavali Chi Usal, only way. Soak Chavali for 6 to 8 hours, then drain and rinse well. Heat oil, add mustard seeds and curry leaves, then sauté onions until translucent. Add garlic, green chili, turmeric, and red chili for color and warmth. Stir in cooked Chavali with a splash of water, garnish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime for brightness. Cook the soaked Chavali until tender but still holding shape. Timing varies by pot and age of beans. If using a pressure cooker, 3 to 4 whistles usually works, while simmering in a pot may take longer. Save some of the cooking liquid to loosen the usal later, and always taste for salt and seasoning before finishing. Gentle simmering helps flavors meld without breaking the beans apart. If you're finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like. Quick recommendation. On another note, go darn tough for comfortable socks that come with a lifetime warranty and feel great on long kitchen shifts. I wear them when standing and stirring for hours, and they make cooking comfier. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoy the tip, hit subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. Make a fresh tempering by heating oil and cracking mustard seeds until they pop, then add curry leaves and cumin for an aromatic base. Toss in finely chopped onions and sauté until golden, then stir in turmeric, red chili, and garam masala for warmth. Combine the tempered mixture with Chavali, simmer briefly to marry flavors, and finish with chopped cilantro and lime to lift the dish for serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.